Welcome to online learning prepared by Teacher Edward James from Pratum Suksa 5 Anuban Taksin Bankay International School. This video recording is for educational purposes only. My name is Teacher Edward and I am your speaker for today. Topic: Finding Stars. Here are some of the questions that we are going to answer today. What are the different zodiac signs? How to find the position of stars using azimuth and altitude? How to find the position of star using star chart? And what can you share about constellation? Let's begin. Here are the following words that will be part of our discussion today. These words are a little bit difficult, so I want you to listen to me carefully how to pronounce each word and repeat them after I read. Okay? So the first word is azimuth. Can you repeat the word? Azimuth. Number 2, altitude. Altitude. Number 3, horizon. Horizon. Number 4, zenith. Zenith. Number 5, planisphere. Planisphere. What is azimuth? Azimuth is the angle measured along the observer's horizon from the north. So if you are finding some stars, okay, or a certain constellation, you need to find first where is north. And if you are facing north, try to look at where the stars is located at. So in this picture, it's like 45 degrees to the east, okay? So that is the angle of azimuth, okay? The next word here is the altitude. The altitude is the vertical angle, okay, measured from the horizon, okay, to the star that you are observing. So, for example, this is the horizon, and this is the what is this? This is the altitude. If the star is here, then you can see there the altitude. If you can look at the picture here, okay. Next is horizon. Horizon is the line at which the sky, you see the sky here, and the earth's surface appear to meet. So you can see the sky and you can see the earth's surface. It looks like they meet at a certain point. That is what we call horizon, okay. So you are going to start measuring the horizon from where the star is, okay. So you can start from the horizon measuring the altitude. The next word here is zenith. Zenith is the point in the sky or celestial sphere directly above an observer. For example, the sun. Since a sun is a star, in like during lunchtime, the sun is right above us, right directly overhead to us. So that it means that the sun is in the zenith point, okay, directly overhead. The next word is planisphere. Planisphere is an adjustable circular star map that shows the appearance of the heavens at a specific time and a place. Okay, so you can buy this chart. You can buy this in Lazada if you are interested to study about the stars. Here, I will show you a video later on how to use this planisphere. Now, I want you to pause for a while and I want you to answer this question. Okay? Are you guys done? Alright, so let's try to answer. Again, if you are not done answering the crossword puzzle, you can pause the video and come back play it again after you are finished. Okay, so I hope that all of you are done. The clue here for number 1 down is an adjustable circular map. So the correct answer here is Planisphere. Did you get it right? Okay. Number 2, the line at which the Earth's surface and the sky appear to meet. The answer is horizon. Number 3, what do we call this? Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, Aries, Libra, Scorpio, Capricorn, Pisces, Virgo, Cancer, Gemini. We call them Zodiac sign, okay, or Zodiac signs. Alright, now let's go with number 4, across. The vertical angle measured from horizon to the star. This is what we call the altitude. Very good. I hope you get that one correctly. And number 4 here is the angle measured along the observer's horizon from the north. Okay, so the clue there is from the north. Correct answer is azimuth. And lastly, the point in the sky or celestial sphere directly above an observer. Okay, the directly overhead to us. It is the zenith. Alright. Now, I hope you enjoy answering that crossword puzzle. Let's continue. Here are the 12 zodiac signs. You have here Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. Now, I will give you an example. The birthday of Teacher Edward is on August 14. August 14. So what do you think is my zodiac sign? August 14. I'll give you 5 seconds to find what is my zodiac sign. Okay, so my zodiac sign is Leo. Okay, because Leo is under August or July 23 to August 22. And my birthday is August 14. So I am Leo. Now is the time for you to know what is your zodiac sign. Okay, I don't know your birthdays. But if your birthday is on March, between March 21 to April 20, you are Aries. April 21 to May 20, Taurus. May 21 to June 20 is Gemini. June 21 to July 22 is Cancer. Leo here, July 23 to August 22, and so on and so forth. Okay? So for example, your birthday is today, December 30. Okay? Or let's say January 1 or December 30. What will be your zodiac sign? Your zodiac sign will be Capricorn. Very good. Okay. Now, here are the signs or symbols of the different zodiac sign. Now, you can pause this video again and you can draw this one on your notebook so that you will not forget all the zodiac signs and to identify them. Maybe you can look at the Capricorn tonight because it's December and January. Okay? Now, let's proceed to the next slide. It is found in your book, page 248. We have here a clear representation or illustration of azimuth, the angle from the north and where you are standing. We have also the altitude from the horizon going up to the sky, okay, or to where the star is. That is the altitude in this picture. The altitude is 60 degrees, okay. and the zenith point here is the highest point overhead. Alright, so azimuth, altitude, and zenith. Okay, those are the three important things that you need to know in this slide. Okay, now how to determine the if you don't have a compass or if you don't have a protractor for you to determine the angle, you can use your hands, like use your fingers, use your fist. This one is 1 degree. This one is 2.5 degrees. This is 5 degrees. This is 10 degrees. 15. 20. Of course, if this is 10, it will become 20, right? And since this is 15, it will become 30 if you put together. And this is 44. So, imagine that there is an airplane flying. So if there's an airplane flying, you can use your fingers, okay, or maybe like this, okay, and you can measure how far or what is the altitude of the airplane. Okay, so if it's like this and like this, how much will that be? 10 and 15, it means 25, okay? So for example, Central Plaza Rayong. Okay, of course it depends on the distance. If you are very near to Central Plaza Rayong, it looks very high, right? Very tall. But if you are very far from Central Plaza, it might look very small. Okay, maybe something like this only because it is very far. Okay, so that is all about the altitude. Now, I will play this video for you and I want you to listen because this is a tutorial how to use Planisphere.
Hi, it's Will, and I am the Telescope Nerd, and you are watching the Telescope Nerd YouTube channel. This is a companion to my website, telescopenerd.com. For lots of interesting telescope and astronomy stuff, make sure you go visit the website. But in this video, we take a look at something called a planisphere. Sometimes it's called a star wheel. And this is a wonderful little visual aid to help you get to know the night sky and to identify the constellations and the Milky Way and stuff like that. And it's a neat little piece of equipment in how it works. You know that the Earth rotates on its axis, so that changes the night sky every hour. And the Earth rotates around the Sun, which means the position of the stars also change by night and month all year long. So there's always, the night sky is always changing, but this planisphere helps you to understand that and kind of does away with all the confusion. And let me show you how it works. It's two wheels, one inside another. And this here is the actual night sky. So what you would do is you would identify the month you're at. Let's say today is December 1st at 9 p.m. You go to the outer wheel and find December 1st, and then you rotate the inner wheel to the time, 9 p.m. and match them up. So December 1st at 9 p.m., right like that. This is the night sky. And this is exactly overhead. This is the whole sky, and this is exactly overhead. So what you would do next is you would either face south and hold this up, and what we'll do is we'll face north, face exactly north, and hold this up, and this is what you would see on the northern horizon. And as you looked up, straight up above your head would be this way, and then behind you would be this way, the horizon behind you. It's really a wonderful little device, and really well worth getting if you're interested in stargazing or astronomy. It will help you to identify things. For instance, we know on December 1st, let me see here, on December 1st at 9 p.m., as you face exactly north, there's the Big Dipper is right there, just above the horizon. Easy, very easy to find in a wonderful constellation. So let's take a look at that.
Okay, so now we are holding our planisphere up. We're facing north. See, we're facing north. This is the horizon. Holding it up to the sky. And right there is the Big Dipper. Right? So if you were to look at the night sky, there it is. There's the Big Dipper right there. So it's just like that. And the same thing would go for now. You would face, if you turned to your right and faced east, that's the sky you would see. It would be this. You would be looking east, you'd be seeing these stars like this, which is Orion, which is quite nice. Really, really simple. A planisphere is a wonderful device, and this particular one is just terrific because it has all kinds of stuff on it for you to learn about the night sky. Notes on the constellations and the various magnitudes of stars, and lots of stuff on the back about telescopes, the moon, meteor showers, the planets, and tips for your first nights out. So I love this planisphere. It's my favorite one. I'll give you a link to this planisphere, so you can buy it on Amazon.com if you like, right here in the description of this video. So that's a planisphere. Get yourself one if you're interested in learning about the constellations in the night sky. Oh, one more thing. You see this ring here? You wonder what that is? That's something called the ecliptic, and that's the little path that the planets, the sun, and the moon travel in.
So that is how to use the planisphere. Basically, you have a month, you have the date, and you have the time. So you need to determine first what day, what time you are going to observe the night sky. Okay, and then you put everything together, and then you can see there the stars. Of course, if you're facing north, west, east, or facing south, there are the stars that you can see. Alright, so I believe that's all that we prepared for our lesson today, and I will now give you the Google form. Please answer it by 4 p.m. and then after that I can check all your answers. Okay, so that would be all for today, and remember to stay safe from COVID-19 and Happy New Year everybody. Okay, goodbye and see you next year.